How to apply for Bank of America secured credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Tech. In today's video I'll show you how you can actually apply for the secured credit card on the Bank of America, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now in order to apply for the credit card, just go ahead and then open up your browser. You have to go to the official website of the Bank of America, for which I will also make sure to leave the link in the description box. Just go ahead and paste that link. Once you do so, hit the go button. Don't worry, this is the official website, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Once you do so, you can see this red banner at the top that says Bank America card, which says secured credit card. So in order to apply for it, you can see 0% annual fee and so on. Just tap on the apply now button. Once you tap on the apply now button, on the next specific page you will see another type of information. So it says to log in and get started. If you have an online banking account on Bank of America, you can just go ahead and log in and save your time. But if not, then fill in all the first name, your middle name, your last name, your suffix in order to apply for online banking. Once you apply for online banking and then you log into your online banking account, now you can go ahead and then actually apply for the Bank of America credit card. So if you can see, if I also show you over here, it says me that you're applying for a credit card designed to help establish, strengthen, or even rebuild your credit. A card that's simple and convenient for applicants who qualify. More favorable terms and pricing may be available through our unsecured products. And that's all it takes to apply for the Bank of America secured credit card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.